You have an exciting goal or goals to achieve, don't you? So here's another powerful time management technique, guaranteed to work. I call it the ISWAT technique. That's spelt ISWAT. It's based on the fact that whatever action you take is either moving you towards your goals or moving you away from them. So get yourself a pad of self-adhesive post-it type notes. Then write on 5 to 10 of them in big capital letters, ISWAT, ISWAT. That stands for, is what I am doing now or about to do now going to help me achieve my goals? That should be unforgettable. Post these notes where you will come across them frequently during the day, and every time you are about to start on a new task or project, read the ISWAT note. Ask yourself the question, is what I am doing now or about to do going to help me achieve my goals? If the answer is yes, you have 3 choices. You can do it right away, or you can allocate some specific time to do it later, or you may be fortunate enough to be able to delegate it to someone else, if that's appropriate. If the answer is no, it's not going to help me achieve my goals, you have only one choice. Dump it, and dump it right away. If it's another cup of coffee you're going to make, do not make it. If you're going to go and have a chat with a colleague about something unrelated to your goals, do not. If you're about to make a telephone call unrelated to achieving your goals, do not make the call. Focus only on what is going to help you to achieve your goals. If it's an incoming telephone call from somebody you know who just wants to have a chat, politely excuse yourself and hang up. If you're looking at an email that contains information you think you might look at later, just in case it might be of some use in the future, delete it. If it's a piece of paper with some information on it which you think might be of use sometime in the future, do not put it on the pile on your desk with other papers. Put it in the waste bin or shred it. In fact, shred the whole pile. If it's a magazine article you were about to read that's unrelated to your goal, but the headline grabbed your attention, that goes in the bin too. Only keep what you instantly know will help you to achieve your goals. Keep focused on your goals and don't allow anything to distract you. That way you will achieve them. Is what I just said making sense? Great.